So today I'm going to do a video on my candy vending machine, and I give credits to Kawaii Tiger 123 because I used her idea, but the design is my idea, so give me credits too. So yeah, so now I'm going to tell you like how this machine works and how can you get your candy. So first you insert 50 cents in this hole, then you like turn this thing and you can get your candy here. But over here it says what candy did you get, pull or push to get your candy, but it's nothing yet because I didn't really turn this thing. So yeah, then over here it have this minion with one eye thinking what candy he'll get, with a yellow background at the back and a yellow sweet with a rainbow background. So yeah, so first I'm going to insert this 50 cent in this hole, then turn it. So yeah, so I got these two gummy. So first I got this Yupi baby bear gummy and this Yupi burger gummy. So this is what I got. So now I'm going to do the other try. So I'll put this, I'll show you that there's nothing in there. So yeah, I'm just going to turn it. So as you can see, there's something fall just now. It should be shown in the camera. I got this push pop candy in strawberry stinger flavor. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but whatever. Yeah, so yeah, so I got this push pop. So now I'm going to tell you like how it works, so don't be shocked how ugly it is. So get ready, set, go. I know it's so full of masking tape. So over here is the coin dispenser. So I got $1.50. Cause Jana insert together two 50 cents which go to $1. But before I do this video, I insert one more 50 cents, so it's $1.50. I just do it for fun. Over here there is this bottle which you can put your candy in, then you turn it. So at the top here there's this hole, so just put your candy and push it in. So then you turn it lah. You turn and drop down. So that is why you get the bottle. Then here there's these two cardboard, so when the thing go in and not go sideways or there. So yeah. So that's basically how it works. So please give me credits and Kawaii Tiger 123. So like this video, thumbs up, which is the same. So bye guys.